Welcome to the extraordinary journey of Charlie Chaplin, one of the most influential and beloved figures in the history of cinema. Born into a world of hardship, Chaplin transformed his struggles into art that touched the hearts of millions. Chaplin was not just a comedian, he was a storyteller, a social commentator, and an innovator who reshaped the way we view humor, humanity, and film. From the crowded streets of London to the dazzling lights of Hollywood, his life was a story of resilience, creativity, and vision. In this series, we will explore his childhood, rise to fame, iconic films, personal challenges, political controversies, and enduring legacy. Early life and family background. Charlie Chaplin was born on April 16, 1889, in London, England, to Charles Chaplin Sr. and Hannah Hill Chaplin. His father was a talented singer who struggled with alcoholism, while his mother was an actress and singer with extraordinary talent but faced severe mental health challenges. From the very beginning, Charlie's life was marked by poverty and instability. His father abandoned the family when Charlie was a toddler, and his mother's health declined, forcing Charlie and his older brother Sidney into workhouses and orphanages.
Life in these institutions was harsh. Food was scarce, rooms were cold, and the discipline was strict. Yet, even in this adversity, Charlie displayed remarkable talent. He loved mimicking adults, performing small acts of comedy, and entertaining those around him. Hannah, despite her struggles, nurtured Charlie's creativity. Watching her perform on stage, he absorbed every gesture, expression, and nuance of performance. These early lessons in observation and empathy would later define his genius as an actor and filmmaker. Charlie's childhood was defined by hunger, homelessness, and uncertainty. The crowded streets of London exposed him to both cruelty and kindness. He spent long periods in orphanages, experiencing strict routines, emotional neglect, and cold living conditions. Despite this, Charlie discovered the power of humor as a coping mechanism. He would perform on the streets, imitate people, and entertain anyone who would watch. Humor became a lifeline, helping him survive emotionally and socially.
His older brother, Sidney, provided companionship and protection. Together, they navigated the hardships of life, building resilience and resourcefulness. These experiences gave Charlie a profound understanding of human behavior, empathy, and comedy, all of which would later influence his iconic performances. By his early teens, Charlie had endured more hardship than most people face in a lifetime. Yet he emerged resilient, observant, and creatively gifted, ready to turn his struggles into art. First steps into the stage. As a teenager, Charlie joined the dance troupe the 8 Lancaster Lads. Traveling across England, he performed in music halls, learning the art of timing, rhythm, and physical comedy. Life on tour was challenging. Long days, exhausting travel, and minimal pay tested his determination. But these experiences shaped his stage presence, ability to connect with audiences, and mastery of comedic expression. He learned to blend humor with emotion, to make people laugh while also touching their hearts. These skills became the foundation for his legendary career in silent films. Journey to America. In his late teens, Charlie traveled to America with theater groups, eager to explore new opportunities. The entertainment industry in the United States was booming, offering him the chance to reach wider audiences. In 1913, he joined Keystone Studios, marking his first steps into the world of cinema. Initially cast in small roles, Chaplin's expressive face, agility, and comic timing quickly attracted attention. He became known for his unique ability to evoke laughter and emotion simultaneously. This period set the stage for the creation of his most iconic character, the Little Tramp. The birth of the Tramp character. In 1914, Charlie Chaplin introduced the world to the Little Tramp, a character with a bowler hat, cane, and oversized shoes. The tramp was poor but dignified, humorous yet empathetic, representing the struggles and hopes of ordinary people. Audiences immediately connected with this character. The tramp became a universal symbol of resilience, facing life's challenges with charm and wit. Chaplin's mastery of physical comedy, facial expressions, and timing brought the character to life, making it beloved worldwide. The tramp was more than comedy. He was a reflection of humanity, bridging the gap between laughter and empathy. Silent film era success. Chaplin's early films, including A Dog's Life, 1918, Shoulder Arms, 1918, and The Kid, 1921, established him as a major star. The Kid was a groundbreaking film, blending comedy with deep emotion. It told the story of a tramp caring for an orphaned child, showcasing Chaplin's ability to evoke both laughter and tears. During the 1920s, Chaplin became the highest-paid actor in the world with global recognition. His films transcended language barriers, using universal humor and human emotion to connect with audiences everywhere. His mastery of silent film storytelling, balancing physical comedy, pathos, and social commentary, redefined cinema and laid the groundwork for future generations of filmmakers. Founding of United Artists. By 1919, Charlie Chaplin had become one of the biggest stars in the world. Despite his success, he was frustrated with the limitations of the studio system, which restricted his creative freedom. To gain control over his films, Chaplin co-founded United Artists alongside Mary Pickford, Douglas Fairbanks, and D.W. Griffith. This move was revolutionary, allowing artists to produce, distribute, and control their own work. With United Artists, Chaplin could write, direct, and star in his own projects. He now had the freedom to experiment with storytelling, comedy, and social commentary, paving the way for films that were both artistically daring and commercially successful. Major works and innovations. Chaplin's career peaked during the 1920s and 1930s with a series of masterpieces. The Gold Rush, 1925, showcased Chaplin's genius in physical comedy, including the iconic eating shoe scene. It combined humor with subtle commentary on human ambition and loneliness. City Lights, 1931, a silent film made during the sound era. Chaplin's portrayal of the tramp and his love for a blind flower girl highlighted his skill in blending comedy with emotional depth. Modern Times, 1936, critiqued industrialization and the dehumanizing effects of factory work. Chaplin's tramp struggled against machines and bureaucracy, combining slapstick comedy with social insight. The Great Dictator, 1940, a bold political satire against Adolf Hitler and fascism. Chaplin used humor as a weapon, delivering one of cinema's most famous speeches advocating peace and humanity. These films were not just entertainment, they were artful reflections of society, showcasing Chaplin's unique ability to make audiences laugh, cry, and think simultaneously. Personal life and relationships. Chaplin's personal life was often tumultuous. He was married multiple times and faced public scrutiny and controversy. His first marriages ended amid scandal, and the press frequently criticized his relationships. He had several children, most notably with Una O'Neill, who became his lifelong partner. Despite the controversies, Chaplin maintained a focus on his art, letting his films speak louder than gossip. His personal experiences, love, loss, and conflict, frequently informed the emotional depth of his films, adding layers to his comedy and storytelling. Political controversies. During the 1940s and 1950s, Chaplin faced intense political scrutiny. Accusations of communist sympathies and subversive behavior put him under FBI surveillance. Films like Monsieur Verdoux, 1947, reflected social and political critique, which some critics misinterpreted as radical. The tension between his artistry and political perception created challenges, yet Chaplin refused to compromise his creative vision. These controversies underscored Chaplin's courage as an artist, standing firm against societal and governmental pressures while continuing to create meaningful work. Exile from America. In 1952, while traveling to Europe, Chaplin was denied re-entry into the United States. The government cited his political views and personal life controversies. He settled in Switzerland with his family, where he continued to work on films. Although removed from Hollywood, he maintained influence in the global film community. His exile highlighted the tension between fame, politics, and artistic freedom, reinforcing the narrative of Chaplin as a resilient creator. Later career and achievements. Even in exile, Chaplin continued to produce films that reflected his wit, observation, and humanity. A King in New York, 1957. Satirical take on McCarthyism and the social climate of the era. A Countess from Hong Kong, 1967. His final film, showcasing Chaplin's enduring creativity despite declining health. Although his later works did not always achieve the same commercial success, they demonstrated his commitment to storytelling, humor, and social commentary. Chapter 14. Awards and Recognition. Chaplin's contributions to cinema were eventually recognized with prestigious awards. In 1972, he received an honorary Academy Award, and the audience gave him a 12-minute standing ovation, one of the longest in Oscar history. In 1975, he was knighted by Queen Elizabeth II. His films continue to influence filmmakers and entertainers worldwide. These honors acknowledged not just his comedic genius, but his role as a pioneering force in cinema, shaping the art form for future generations. Final years and death. Chaplin spent his final years in Switzerland, living a relatively quiet life with his family. He faced health challenges in old age, but continued to engage with film and art. On December 25, 1977, Charlie Chaplin passed away at the age of 88. The world mourned the loss of a man whose work had brought joy, laughter, and reflection to millions. Legacy and inspiration. Charlie Chaplin's legacy is immense and enduring. He influenced generations of comedians, actors, and filmmakers. His tramp character remains one of the most recognizable figures in cinema. His films teach us that humor can heal, art can inspire, and creativity can transcend hardship. Chaplin's life story, from a poor, struggling child in London to a global cinematic icon, remains a testament to the power of resilience, imagination, and compassion. Thank you for watching this complete biography of Charlie Chaplin. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories and English learning videos.